wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. God bless you all and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Hope everyone's going to have a great day today. Hope you're having a great, fantastic day so far. If you do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Gonna try to make this one quick. Might just go over Bitcoin. I might do Ethereum too. But I just work 8 to 4 in the morning, and I live 45 minutes away from my casino, and I'm just kind of tired. So we're just gonna try to make this one quick. Bitcoin did rip up and hit a new all-time high at 125.7. And now what? Now what is she gonna do? We're on the 1 hour. We can see VWAP is curving down. Looks like we're getting ready to pinch a green dot, but we can see a curve to the upside more than likely on this VWAP. Money flow has shot in. Let's go down to some of these local time frames, see what the day might bring. That's not looking good on the 10-minute. Very deep VWAP. We can see it starting to curve to the upside, but as long as we can hold this previous day, I mean, the daily's right there with the previous day. As long as we can go hold this area at 123.7, hold 123.7, we might be able to see money flow come up, but that's going to be key level to hold right now if we want to see Bitcoin go higher. I'm not in anything at the moment. I missed the move up, I missed the move down. Now we're kind of just ranging right here, and I'm waiting to see. I'm gonna try to stay awake for market open. It's fall break, so my daughter doesn't have to go to school. But we'll have to see. As long as we're holding this area, I'll need some bull signs. We're getting a lot of bear divs on these higher time frames. That 2 hour looks great. Look at that 2 hour VWAP curving up though. The deep money flow. But like I said, there are plenty of bear divs starting to show up. As we've climbed higher, we are starting to lose a bit of momentum, and that's all across the board up to the 5, the 6. More than likely, let's see what the 6 hour VWAP looks like. Looks like she's curving to the downside. We could see her come up though and get a green dot. Money flow is rising. Money flow does look good. Let's look at a couple of key levels to the downside. If we're not going to hold our daily VWAP, we're not going to hold the daily VWAP. We have this 5-day moving average, this little green line at 121.3. And then right below that is the monthly VWAP, which I would assume is real good support, real strong support. If we are going to lose, excuse me, our daily and previous day VWAPs right here. Check out that 15. Yeah, we're getting a red dot on the 15-minute. Money flow kind of flatlining. She was on the rise. You saw her come out just for a second, but now she's starting to flatline for a second. We're still holding this daily. We got some strong support. I mean, if we are going to lose the monthly, we got our previous weekly. We got that macro support and resistance. The previous weekly comes in at 119k. This macro support resistance flip is at 117. So if the 126k and now a cool off is needed, here are some key levels to keep an eye on with the oscillator you choose. I personally prefer Market Cipher and suggest everyone use it. And to the upside, I should have some, yeah, we got a spider line coming in. I could see it. So I mean, if we're already hit 126.5k, then we got a spider line real close to the 130k level, 135k level, and that's what I would look to as resistance when we are in uncharted waters, are the spider lines, because we see them work so well. Boom, look right there. Wow, spider line, resistance, and if we just go back, works well, works great, even to the downside. I mean, so that's what I'm looking for without, well, and these unknown waters. I would be looking for the spider lines to lead the way. the spider lines would be the North Star in these uncharted waters. But these are just a couple of key areas I am watching. If we're going to remain bullish, we have to stay above the previous day. I'm personally waiting for lower prices. Unless we hold this, I can see a strong hold on the daily and previous day area, where we start moving up and getting some bullish looking triggers on market cipher. I wouldn't mind longing the daily to shit even 125, 126k. If we hold this, well, we take some of these highs right here. Good chance we can go higher. But if we're not gonna hold this, I'd look to long around this 5-day moving average, which should act as pretty strong support. And what is going on in the background? All right. And that's where I would be really trying to get into a long. Probably on market open. Looks like it's probably going to be choppy on market open. I mean, look, we're playing squid games right here with the red dot, green dot on the 1 hour. So yeah, probably going to be a little bit choppy. Going to wait to confirm decent support before taking any longs right now. Now, if we do come down, we start losing this, I might open a short if this money flow is going to come out on the 10 minute. If the money flow comes out on the 10 minute with a bearish looking 1 hour, which is almost lining up, I would try to take a short back down to this 5-day moving average. Put my stop loss. Oh, it's gonna fuck up. You understand me? What, stop loss at 124.2? That's if we lose the daily money flow coming out with the bearish 1 hour. And then I would just try to take that down to the 5-day moving average to get into a long, maybe back to a new all-time high there. But these are just a couple of levels to watch. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless you all. I'm out.